talking about mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is becoming increasingly more important as the size of our TV monitors and computer screens get bigger and the size of our mobile devices get smaller. A couple statistics that help really illustrate this fact are that currently there are 4 billion mobile phones in the world, and 3 billion of those mobile phones are actually SMS enabled, which means they have text messaging capabilities. Next, Google has almost a 50% market share with their Android operating system out of all the operating systems that are currently available. What that means is search is going to be really important for mobile, marketing is going to be really important for mobile, because let's face it, Google is a huge marketing powerhouse, and they're probably going to continue to have a very strong foothold in search, marketing, and mobile in the future. Our final statistic is that by 2013, it's projected that mobile search will outnumber the number of desktop searches. So you can see that mobile is going to become very, very important, and it's probably, whether you like it or not, going to become a very big part of the business that you're conducting today and in the future. So let's talk a little bit about different ways that you can interact with a mobile marketing strategy or campaign. First of all, you have the option to build a mobile application. You also have the option to build a mobile website, and we'll talk about the difference between those two things in just a minute. And then you have a more open-ended option, which is to just conduct a mobile marketing campaign, and that's a much more broad concept. So what exactly is the difference between a mobile marketing application, a mobile application, a mobile website, and a mobile marketing campaign? Well, first of all, a mobile application is an application that is built for your phone's operating system to integrate with that operating system. So it has a lot of functionality that you can pull from your phone, and it integrates with your phone seamlessly. So what that gives you is a lot more functionality, and it allows your users to do a lot more with things like GPS and phone alerts. A mobile website is a little bit more simple of a concept. What a mobile website does is essentially renders a website that's hosted online on your phone. So you actually have to access a mobile website through your phone's browser. But one of the advantages of modern website development is that you can actually make a mobile website look a lot like a mobile application. And a lot of smart companies are doing this so that users will interact with their websites a lot more, and they're getting a lot of value out of these mobile websites. The downside is that you don't have that seamless integration with your phone's operating system, but the cost of development is also a little bit lower for mobile websites as well. Finally, you have this broad concept of mobile marketing campaigns. And I wish I could define what a mobile marketing campaign is, but really that's up to you. There are lots of different things you can do with a mobile marketing campaign. You can have a QR code integrated with a print campaign. You can actually develop a mobile app or a mobile marketing website to integrate with your marketing campaign. There are so many different options, but just because you don't have a mobile application or you don't have a mobile website doesn't mean that you cannot conduct a really effective mobile marketing campaign. Just to revisit those statistics, 3 billion users in the United States have SMS-enabled phones, so text messaging could be a huge campaign for you in the future. The next question we'll answer is how mobile. How exactly does mobile work, and how does it integrate with your application or website? So this is a little higher tech, but what you have is you have a satellite system, especially when you have GPS enabled with your mobile application. You have a satellite system that connects into your GPS, if you have that, if that's a component of your application. And then that will communicate back and forth with your mobile device. That mobile device then sends information back and forth to the cloud, and the cloud will call upon a web service to store information there. The web service is talking back and forth with your database that has all the information that you want to render on your phone. So I know that's a really high-tech explanation, and you're probably wondering how your information gets to your phone through this system. A database can be connected to a website, it can be connected to a server that you have, and that will send information eventually up to your mobile device to render on your mobile device. Now, if you're looking to do something like a mobile marketing campaign, there are tons of different ways that this system could work for you, tons of different executions, and that's really up to you. And one of the things that we love to do with the Net Impact is we love developing mobile marketing campaigns, we love developing mobile apps. So we're happy to answer any questions that you have about mobile marketing or mobile development. And we actually have a mobile development partner, Unidev, that can develop for any mobile operating system or any website computer programming that you like. We'd be happy to talk to you, and that is mobile marketing and development.
Hi, I'm Atibi Mehra, and I'm going to take you through this exciting world of mobile marketing. I am an MBA and PMP by education and have over 15 years of experience with MNCs such as Vodafone, Yahoo, and Mindshare. With Mindshare, which is a global media agency, I was responsible for driving the mobile advertising business in APAC. In this capacity, I've had the opportunity of working with some of the leading brands such as Ford, Unilever, and GSK. My ability to understand and appreciate the dynamics in the market and translate the same into product requirements comes from my 6 years of product management experience with Yahoo. As of 2015, I'm working in individual capacity as a consultant with companies on their mobile asset and mobile marketing goals. I am also mentoring and consulting across the startup community, which you are aware is so heavily focused on mobile. We all know that mobile is transforming digital market in a big way. You just can't afford to miss it. This means that you as a marketer have to ensure that all your marketing strategies are adapted to mobile right now. Marketers have moved away from why mobile to how can they use mobile effectively to reach out to their consumers. It isn't any longer as simple as creating a site or creating an application. It is how you can reach out to this large audience which spends 25% of the media time on mobile only. Let's look at some facts. India will have 250 million smartphone users by the end of 2015. This is a year-on-year growth of 89%. 82% of Facebook users are from mobile in India. Myntra has actually let go of their desktop site and now are a mobile-only shopping destination. 10% of WhatsApp audiences actually come from India. In India, 41% of all e-commerce transactions actually comes from mobile, which is the highest as compared to any country worldwide. Let's look at India in terms of the numbers that it brings forward for mobile. These are very critical for you as a marketer to understand and increase your investments on the medium. There are 952 million mobile users as of 2015. What's interesting is almost half of these users are below the age of 25 because of the active youth base that India has. On an average, we are able to add around 5 to 6 million new connections per month. Mobile internet base has touched 213 million users as of Jan 2015. As per an InMobi report that was released on mobile web users, there is 6.10 hours of media that's consumed by the users. Mobile alone contributes to 28%, that is 102 minutes of usage out of this 6.10 hours. This means, as a marketer, you just cannot afford to not reach out to these users. Mobile brings some unique strengths that are not available across any other media. Mobile with 950 million users is accessible across a much wider base as compared to any media. Even in rural India, which is not accessible by any other form of media, you can reach out to the user via their devices. To introduce you to the phenomena that mobile marketing has become, we are conducting this in-depth training on mobile marketing and its possibilities. We'll be taking you through the tools available for you as a marketer to reach out to your consumers, some of the best practices for mobile design and asset creation, ASO and some organic ways of getting downloads for your app, monetization strategies for you, and some emerging trends for mobile. I really enjoy writing and teaching about mobile, and I'm sure you will enjoy this journey with me as much as I enjoy taking you through it.